What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be wheel swapping this DMC Delorean with some pretty pink wheels. Let's go! What's up everybody? This is your boy Trev here for Larry Brickson Studios. Just giving you a little quick PSA. Always clean your shavings because you never know where they'll go. These things are really tricky, so you always want to get rid of them. And in today's video, we're going to be wheel swapping this DMC Delorean Pink Wild style for Team Claire. We got the Fast and the Furious Underground tournament coming. Fast and the Furious Underground. Now, what is that, Trev? Well, in our Larry Brickson universe, our Lego figures use these little babies as remote control cars. So first, we're going to take off the rivets here. I usually drill them down just till they hold on the base. That way you can unsnap them. I use a stepper drill or a 4.5mm drill, regular drill bit. But I'm using the stepper drill here. It's easy because you can also use them by hand. So just get them so that they click back together. Get up under there. Gotta put your thumb over it because it's gonna pop and fly away. These things just fly everywhere. Easy. These ones with the bent ends are just make it so much better. Now don't get rid of them because, like before, just get in there and lightly open up those clips. Most of the Hot Wheels have these 3 clips, 2 on one side, 1 on the other. And if you don't do this, it makes it hard to get the new axle in. I might have to do this a couple times. So let's get some wheels. And boom, we're gonna do some pink specials to match the pink that was on it. Easy, it's easy. Yes, easy. Now let's get the body back on. This is just step 1, customization. Ooh, that smells real nice.